How to cancel a Wise money transfer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to cancel a money transfer on Wise, maybe you entered the wrong details or changed your mind, whatever the reason, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to cancel a Wise transfer in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the activity or the transfer tab at the bottom to view your recent and the pending transfer. And after that, you just have to look for the transfer that you want to cancel and make sure it's still pending because you can't cancel it if it's already completed or paid out. And here, once you open the transfer, you just have to tap on cancel transfer at the bottom and then confirm your cancellation. And after that, Wise will start the refund process. And if you paid with a card, it might take a few business days, but if it was from your Wise balance, then it usually take an instant. And here, to avoid cancellation in future, always double check the recipient details and amount before you confirm a transfer. And that's it. That's how you can cancel a Wise money transfer. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.